best places to visit in Iceland. Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to Travel Treasures. Today, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey through the land of fire and ice, Iceland. Get ready to explore the top 10 must-visit places that will leave you breathless. Let's dive in. The Golden Circle. The Golden Circle, a quintessential Icelandic adventure, beckons travelers with its trio of awe-inspiring wonders. Transitioning to the geyser geothermal area, the Earth comes alive with the rhythmic eruptions of Strákur, a powerful geyser that shoots boiling water high into the air. The journey culminates at Gullfoss Waterfall, where the Hvida River cascades into a dramatic two-tiered plunge, creating a spectacle of mist and rainbows. The Golden Circle encapsulates the essence of Iceland's natural marvels, offering an immersive experience in geological wonders and historical significance. Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon. Nestled in the heart of Iceland's surreal landscapes, Jokulsarlon Glacier Lagoon is a captivating masterpiece of nature. This glacial lagoon, set against the backdrop of Vatnajökull, Europe's largest glacier, is a realm of otherworldly beauty. Glacial icebergs, sculpted by time, float gracefully on the lagoon's crystal-clear waters, creating a breathtaking display of shapes and sizes. The luminous blue hues of the ice contrast with the inky blackness of the lagoon, forming a scene straight from a fantasy. Seals often make appearances, adding a touch of wildlife to the cinematic panorama. The air is filled with an ethereal serenity as visitors marvel at the ever-changing spectacle, where nature's forces collide and create a symphony of ice and water. Jokulsarlon is more than a destination, it's a journey into the frozen poetry of Iceland's glacial wonders. The Blue Lagoon. Nestled in the otherworldly landscapes of Iceland, the Blue Lagoon stands as a testament to the country's geothermal wonders. This ethereal oasis is a captivating blend of relaxation and surreal beauty, set amidst a stark volcanic backdrop. The milky blue, mineral-rich waters of the lagoon are heated by the Earth's natural geothermal energy, creating a soothing and rejuvenating experience for visitors. Visitors can unwind in the warm embrace of the lagoon, feeling the silky smooth waters soothe both body and soul. Silica mud, believed to have healing properties, is readily available for a therapeutic facial mask. Steam rises from the azure water, creating an enchanting mist that adds to the lagoon's mystical allure. As day turns to night, the lagoon takes on a magical ambience, with the glow of the geothermal waters harmonizing with the celestial dance of the northern lights. Vik and Rianistra Beach. Venturing to the southern coast of Iceland, Vik and Rianistra Beach emerge as a dramatic symphony of nature's forces. With its stark black sand stretching as far as the eye can see, Rianistra Beach offers a striking contrast to the frothy white waves of the North Atlantic Ocean. The quaint village of Vik, nestled nearby, provides a picturesque backdrop to this natural spectacle. The black sand beach, sculpted by the relentless ocean, invites visitors to wander along its shores and marvel at the raw power of the elements. The crashing waves and the hauntingly beautiful surroundings make Vik and Rianistra Beach a place of both awe and introspection. Landmannalaugar. Deep within the heart of Iceland's highlands, Landmannalaugar unfolds as a vibrant tapestry of colors and geothermal wonders. Renowned for its stunning landscapes, this remote oasis invites intrepid travelers into a realm where rhyolite mountains paint the horizon in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Geothermal activity beneath the Earth's surface gives rise to hot springs that dot the surreal landscape, offering weary explorers a chance to soak in warm, mineral-rich waters amid the untouched wilderness. Whether embarking on a challenging hike, bathing in the natural hot springs, or simply reveling in the kaleidoscope of colors that surround, Landmannalaugar stands as a testament to the untamed beauty that defines Iceland's interior. Akureyri and Mývatn. Nestled in the northern reaches of Iceland, Akureyri and Mývatn beckon with their unique charm and captivating landscapes. Akureyri, often referred to as the capital of the north, is a quaint town surrounded by snow-capped mountains and nestled along the picturesque Jaftur Fjord. Its vibrant cultural scene, including museums, galleries, and a lively atmosphere, makes it a delightful starting point for exploring the region. A short drive from Akureyri leads to the geothermal wonders of Mývatn. This area, characterized by a serene lake bearing the same name, is a geological paradise. Mývatn's surreal landscapes feature otherworldly lava formations, bubbling mud pots, and steamy fumaroles, creating an almost extraterrestrial ambience. Hallgrímskirkja and Reykjavik. In the heart of Iceland's capital, Reykjavik, the iconic Hallgrímskirkja church stands tall as a symbol of the city's modernity and cultural richness. Dominating the skyline with its unique and futuristic design inspired by Icelandic nature, the church's towering spire offers panoramic views of the vibrant city below. Hallgrímskirkja's interior is equally impressive, with its minimalist aesthetic and soaring vaulted ceilings. The church's pipe organ, crafted by renowned organ builder Johannes Claes, adds a musical dimension to the spiritual atmosphere within. Visitors can ascend the church tower to witness breathtaking views of Reykjavik, the surrounding mountains, and the vast Atlantic Ocean. Together, Hallgrímskirkja and Reykjavik embody the spirit of Iceland's capital, where contemporary living meets the nation's unique cultural heritage, creating an unforgettable experience for those exploring this dynamic northern city. Ígilsstaðir. Nestled on the shores of the enchanting Lake Laugardalsfjall, Ígilsstaðir, the largest town in East Iceland, exudes a tranquil charm that captivates visitors with its scenic beauty. Framed by rolling hills and embraced by the surrounding mountains, this picturesque town serves as a gateway to the captivating wonders of the East Fjords. As the cool waters of Lake Laugardalsfjall gently lap against the shores, Ígilsstaðir invites travelers to unwind in its serene ambience. Quaint streets lined with colorful houses lead to charming cafes, where locals and visitors alike gather to enjoy the unhurried pace of life. Ígilsstaðir is not merely a destination but a serene escape, inviting exploration of nearby waterfalls, lush forests, and the untouched wilderness that characterizes East Iceland. It's a place where nature and culture harmonize, offering a tranquil haven for those seeking the authentic and untouched spirit of this remarkable region. The Westfjords. In the remote and enchanting corner of Iceland, the Westfjords unfold as a hidden gem, untouched by the bustling pace of modern life. Jutting out into the North Atlantic Ocean like a rugged peninsula, this region is a picturesque tableau of deep fjords, dramatic cliffs, and quaint fishing villages. The landscape is characterized by steep mountainsides, cascading waterfalls, and serene fjords that carve through the ancient mountains. Remote fishing villages, such as Ísafjordur and Bolungarvík, offer a glimpse into traditional Icelandic life. The bird cliffs of Lathrafjörð, Europe's westernmost point, are a highlight of the Westfjords. Towering over the ocean, these cliffs provide a nesting haven for countless seabirds, including puffins, guillemots, and razorbills. The Highlands. Iceland's highlands, a vast and untamed wilderness at the heart of the island, present an awe-inspiring panorama of rugged landscapes, volcanic plateaus, and geothermal wonders. This remote region, largely uninhabited and accessible only during the summer months, beckons adventurers seeking the purest essence of Iceland's untamed beauty. Dominated by expansive lava fields, colossal glaciers, and volcanic peaks, the highlands offer a stark contrast to the more accessible parts of the country. The iconic Askja caldera, with its otherworldly landscapes, stands as a highlight of the highlands. Nestled within this volcanic crater is the Viti crater, a striking turquoise lake surrounded by ash and lava. Exploring the highlands requires a spirit of adventure and a willingness to embrace the challenges of Iceland's interior. The sheer vastness and untouched beauty of this region make it a place where one can truly connect with the primal forces that shape the Icelandic landscape. And there you have it, our top 10 picks for the best places to visit in Iceland. Whether you're chasing waterfalls, relaxing in geothermal spas, or exploring untamed landscapes, Iceland truly has something for every adventurer. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!